Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's recipe, we're showing you how to make these delicious potato meatballs. Each potato meatball contains 453 calories, 46% of which come from fat, 31% come from protein, and 23% from carbohydrates. So for this recipe, you will need 700 grams of minced beef, 700 grams of potatoes, 200 grams of cheese, 1 cup chopped cabbage, 1 cup tomato puree, half a cup of chopped coriander, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half a cup of chopped tomato, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 2 teaspoons salt or to taste, and 1 egg. So you're going to start off by adding the minced beef, 1 teaspoon of salt, coriander powder, chili powder, garlic paste, tomato, coriander, corn flour, cabbage, egg, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil into the mixing bowl. Then you can go ahead and mix that thoroughly, preferably with your hands. After it has been mixed, you can go ahead and cover it and set it aside. In the meantime, go ahead and mash your potatoes. And mix them with green onion, black pepper, and only 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix that thoroughly as well. And once you're done, just cover it and set it aside. Now you can go ahead and grease your serving dish with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. It's a good idea to grease your hands with the rest of the olive oil before making the meatballs. Then you can go ahead and roll the meatballs, and as you roll each one, just place it in the serving dish like so. After all of the meatballs are in the serving dish, go ahead and flatten them from the middle like this. After that, once again, grease your hands. Do the exact same thing with the potato balls. Once they're rolled, go ahead and layer them on top of each meatball. Once the potato meatballs are all in place, go ahead and layer the dish with tomato puree. Followed by cheese. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and bake it on 350 degrees for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, your dish should look like this. As you can see, it looks so delicious. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to get notified about our latest videos.